Hello, everyone. I'm Miss Bianca, your English teacher. Welcome to Open English Class, the best YouTube channel to learn English.
Hello, my name is Valeria Mendoza, and I am 16 years old. I am a student, and I live with my family. My family is very important to me. I have one sister and one brother. My sister's name is Daniela. She is 14 years old. She is very friendly and funny. My brother's name is Luis. He is 10 years old. He is very active and loves soccer. My father's name is Roberto. He is a mechanic and he is very hardworking. My mother's name is Elena. She is a teacher and she is very kind and patient. We also have a dog. His name is Max. He is small, brown, and very playful. He loves to run in the yard. My grandparents live near my house. My grandfather's name is Jose, and my grandmother's name is Carmen. They are very loving and always help us. I also have two best friends. Their names are Andrea and Sergio. They are very nice, and we study together. I love my family and my friends very much.